I shifted through thousands of projects and websites to search for common themes and trends coming into 2021. Trends usually develop because of an evolution in technology, or new tools and common software that make it easier to accomplish certain effects or styles. Take, for instance, the frosted glass effect seen lately. By using Adobe XD, a program for creating web and mobile app layouts, you can create this effect in just a few seconds. We'll create our very own frosted glass effects and apply a simple animation to create the project you see here. Adobe Dimensions earlier in 2020 added a type effect feature where you can quickly add 3D type objects. You can change the material and lighting to create some pretty awesome typography that jumps off the screen, and it's incredibly easy to do this. We see trends in typography like using condensed typefaces. We will be covering some of my favorite, easy to find condensed typefaces so we can create a couple of quick, effective Instagram posts. Lastly, we'll cover trends in color. We'll discuss how color is taking over. Not just one color choice, but really total color coverage on design surfaces. And we'll talk more about what that means. We study trends not just to chase the next cool thing, but to also become relevant as designers who can move forward instead of just standing still. So let's review some of the design themes and trends I see moving into the year 2021. Not only that, we'll create these trends doing quick, exciting projects for each major trend. So I'll see you in the next lesson.